Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. And hit that notification bell. Blue's Clues. Blue makes breakfast. Oh, hi. We're glad you're here. It's almost time for our morning cooking lesson with Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper. I'm so excited. We're going to learn how to make some of our favorite breakfast foods today. And then we get to eat them. Hey, would you like to help? You would? Let's go. Hi, Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper. Hi, Paprika. What are we making today? Today we are making cereal with fruit, toasted bagels with toppings, and fruit salad.
Can you help us think of one more food for our breakfast?
Blue knows something she wants to make for breakfast, and she wants us to play Blue's Clues to figure it out. Will you help me look for Blue's paw prints on 3 clues? You will? Great! The first thing we're going to make today is cereal with fruit. Can you help me choose the things we'll need? Cereal with fruit? Yum! So what do you think we need? Cereal, right! Can't do without that. And fruit, yeah. Do you see the fruit? Oh, blueberries. Good job. So where should we put the cereal and fruit? In a bowl. Good thinking. I think we need a spoon too. Anything else? Oh, milk, the last ingredient. Hey, you're really good at this.
Magnifique! We'll pour the milk in when it's time to eat.
Right, we don't want the cereal to get soggy. Good idea. Do you see a clue? Where? Oh, the mixing bowl. So what do you think Blue wants to make for breakfast using a mixing bowl? Maybe we'd better find 2 more clues. What are we making next? Oh, yum! Bagels with spreads.
I'll toast the bagels, then Blue can spread the toppings on.
Cool! What do you like on your bagel? Jam and butter? Cream cheese? Peanut butter? They all sound good. I'm really getting hungry now. Maybe you could make the fruit salad while Blue is working on the bagel, Steve. Here's the recipe. Thanks, Mrs. Pepper. I love fruit salad. How about you? Oh, you see a clue? Aha! It's a banana. So what do you think Blue wants to make for breakfast using a mixing bowl and a banana? We still need 1 more clue, and then we can figure it out. We better get busy making the fruit salad. Uh-oh, these recipe cards are all mixed up. Can you help me put them in the right order? Thanks. So what comes first? Taking out the fruit we are going to use. Good thinking. Then what? Oh, then you wash the fruit. Great. Then you put the cut up fruit into a bowl. Yeah, and mix it. Good job. This fruit salad looks delicious. Thanks for helping with the recipe. What's that? You see a clue? Where? Oh, the muffin tin. The muffin tin is our last clue. Wow, you know what that means. It's time to go to our thinking chair. So what could Blue want to make for breakfast with a mixing bowl, a banana, and a muffin tin? Do you know? That's it! Blue wants to make banana muffins for breakfast. My favorite. What a great idea, Blue. Oh la la! What a delicious idea, Blue. And I have the perfect recipe. Thanks. What should we do first? Oh, of course. Read the recipe. Then, Oh, we'll gather together all the ingredients. Then we'll follow the directions very carefully.
Now that the batter is ready, we'll pour it into the muffin tin and put it in the oven.
Great! What should we do now? Yeah, let's clean up the kitchen and put everything away. Maybe by the time we're finished, our muffins will be done.
Thank you for cleaning up. The kitchen looks wonderful.
The muffins are still baking. Why don't we finish setting the table for breakfast? Good idea. So what is missing from our table? Do you know? We did it. The table is set, and it smells like the muffins are ready.
Voila! Breakfast is served. You are wonderful cooks.
Thanks, Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper, for showing us how to make this great food. And thank you for helping with Blue's Clues. You're so smart. And I'm so hungry. Let's eat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Blue's Clues stories, check out my Blue's Clues